All right, so this week we're looking at drawing different types of graph, and this is the question sheet that you guys have got to look through. All right, number one, create a column graph based off the following data. So we've got categorical data, and it looks nominal to me, they're not in order. So we have red, blue, green, and yellow, and frequency always goes up the side. So this is obviously color, and frequency always goes on your vertical axis. Now frequency goes from 0, which is always on the bottom, and then we go 1, 2, 3, 4. Now a column graph are columns. Now you don't see columns like sticking to each other, do you? Because that would be a wall. So columns have gaps between them. And then what you do is you use a ruler, and you go making sure you're leaving a gap each side, and you drawing it up. So now I'm going to quickly do that. There you go. So you can see that I've used the ruler, we've got our title, and we've got our axes labels. Yours needs to be as neat as mine. If not, that's just not good enough. All right. Number 2, create a dot plot from the following ages. Well, our dot plot is the quickest graph you can draw because it only has one axis. There. We go from our smallest, 11 to 16. So we go 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And we do a dot per number or a cross. So I'm going to do a dot. So 11, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 12s. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 1, 2, 3, 4 13s. We have 1, 2 14s. 1 15. 1 16. Have I missed any? No, I haven't. And this is age. Don't forget to label the one axis that we have. There you go. Easy. Number 3. Right. 5-point summary and box and whisker plots. They're really common, these sorts of questions. Now, with any sort of averages, you've got to put the data in order and write it out yourself. So let's find the smallest. 1, 2, 2. Yep. All right. Now let's go next one. We got a 1, 2, 6, then 1, 2, 8, 1, 2, 8. Oh, I've missed out a 1, 2, 4, so I'll make sure I've got 1, 2, 4 in there. That happens. There's another 1, 2, 8. 1, 3, 1. 1, 3, 3. 1, 3, 4. 1, 3, 7, 1, 3, 8. 140, 142, 152. Let's just check I've got the right amount. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Alright, so I've got them all. Now 5-point summary is the lowest, the lower quartile, the median or quartile 2, the upper quartile, and the highest. We'll go through these one at a time. Lowest is clearly 1, 2, 2. The highest is 1, 5, 2. They are easy. Now to find your middle, so we cross off 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 from there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We've got 2 numbers in the middle. So the median is halfway between 1, 3, 1 and 1, 3, 3. So our median is 1, 3, 2. Now your lower quartile is the median for this side. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we've got 3 to the right of it, 3 to the left of it. So our lowest quartile is 1, 2, 8. There's the middle of this side, so upper quartile is 1, 3, 8. Now the interquartile range is the difference between here and here. So sometimes it asks you for that. So it's clearly 10, that's the distance between there and there. That's your interquartile range. Now to draw your box and whisker plot, we need to go from 120, 130, 140, 150. So I'm going to go here. Now, with a box and whisker plot, and we'll go up to 160, you don't have to do the axis and make sure it's absolutely perfect because you can write the number above it. And you do that when you've got large numbers like this one. So let's have a look. So our lowest is 1, 2, 2. 1, 2, 8 is our lower quartile. Our median is 1, 3, 2. Upper quartile is 1, 3, 8. And our highest is 1, 5, 2. And then you put your box around the quartiles and your whiskers in the range. So there is our box and whisker. Now, because you can't exactly read from the axis, this is why we do this. So 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 8, 1, 3, 2, 1, 3, 8, and 1, 5. 2, really make sure that you're doing as neat as possible. Remember, you can watch this video backwards and pause it to see how you're going. So for number 4, same question. So I'm going to put the answers up just like magic. Remember to put these numbers in order first. And there you go. So you can see the numbers are in order. I found lowest and the highest. Median is in between 14 and 16, which is 15. Half of this side is our lower quartile, half of this side is our upper quartile, and I've done it there. So now I'm just going to put them on top as well, so you can make sure you can read it from the axis. And that is this week's work. Please make sure you mark in red.